Alright, chat. We finna go ahead and get straight into the reaction, y'all. Make sure y'all sub up to the channel. And if you tuned in on Twitch, make sure y'all hit that follow button. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Speed done got a Parrot, man. Two! And they just talking once.
Yo!
That's 5.
Chat the birds! Hold on, wait. Put it in this seat. The birds are here!
Ooh, that's 5.
Oh, the birds are here! Oh my god. I miss these birds! Y'all remember these birds?
From the animal video?
Hey! Shut the f. Hey!
Don't be rude!
Hey, chill!
What is... Come on.
Speak English! Wait! Hey! Speak English! Speak! Talk! You wanna say hello? Hello? Chat, how do I...
What they saying?
How to speak, bro? Hey, boy.
Ooh.
They'll get you, though. Be careful.
Really? They bite?
Oh, they bite.
They look like they gonna get you, too.
They're
Look.
trying to get me.
Mm-hmm.
You're trying to take one out if you want.
Alright. Yo, chat, should we take one out?
Yeah, take one out.
Let's take one out.
Yeah, do that one first. The other one aggressive.
No, I ain't scared. No, I'm not scared.
You should be.
Oh, shit. Hey, boy.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit,
That shit
they're out.
back.
They're out.
Close the cage.
Oh, what's good?
That one gonna fly out.
They out. Stop yelling! Like, say a word. They keep doing that. Why do they keep doing that?
This nigga crazy.
Hold away. Stay right here. Oh, hold away. Stay right here. I want them to meet somebody. Stay right here. So my cat never met an animal before. I want my cat to meet an animal. My cat never met an animal before. You see the cats? You see the birds? Oh yeah.
He's gone.
Yeah, he's gone.
You already know what's up with them birds.
Look, it's a cat bird.
He's probably like, oh.
Bro, he need to watch out. That just gonna attack them, bro. You can't trust them birds that talk, man.
I don't think he cares.
Can't trust them, bro. Telling you.
Do y'all care? Motherfucker. Oh, Tad, since when cats are scared of birds?
Should be the other way around.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, let me see. Alright,
It's because a bird can pick up a damn cat and fly off with that
He's
motherfucker.
outside, you said?
Lift up.
Nigga, come here, boy.
How big's this dog?
He's small.
If anything, little guy. He'll be starving, not that.
Yeah. Come here, boy. I want you to meet somebody. Look, it's a bird, nigga.
He said, what is that? So I'm not doing it.
The dog not scared.
You gotta feed him something if you want.
Yeah.
I got some peanuts in here, some green beans.
Bro, why are all pets scared of? Why are they all scared? Hey, chill up.
That's how you stand on business, nigga. Tell them birds get out your house. What that bird saying?
Everyone's scared.
You want a cracker? Hey, nigga, relax, nigga. Hey, boy.
Hey, boy.
Say, I want to teach him how to say the word, nigga. How do you teach him? Do you have to keep saying it?
Are you repeating all the time?
Nigga.
Put a little radio out there in his cage at home.
Oh.
Start learning.
He started learning?
Oh, yeah.
It's just like you just saying like motherfucker.
The other owner used to curse at him all the time. They didn't know how to say stuff.
That's fire, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Can't trust him though.
He has a mouthful of peanuts.
Dog, it's like, what is the food? The bird poop? No, he didn't. He didn't poop. Chat, shut up. He did not poop.
He's dropping peanuts.
He's dropping peanuts everywhere. That's fine. Here. What about this one?
See this one? Yeah.
Come here, baby.
Drop
Come on.
reaction chat.
Come on.
Can we look to the side a little bit?
To the side.
Yeah. Maybe not.
Oh, you scared?
You don't want to do it. Try a smaller stick. Come on, up. Up.
Oh, like that.
Don't bite me.
Oh,
There
that's
you
so
go.
cool. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, it's so when they outside the cage, they don't act all that. They don't act hard. Yo,
They might get a little squeak of the dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, take
So
the
chat,
dog.
they don't act like that when they outside the cage. Good boy. Good boy.
They are both boys.
Good boy. Good boy.
Dogs can eat all the crackers now.
Shit, he can be a good vacuum.
Yeah, right?
You want green beans?
That one
You want
hungry.
a green bean? You want a green bean? Hey, be quiet.
Yeah, get the dog out of there, man. For them birds start attacking your ass, man. Come on, bro.
Okay, so look. My goal today is to teach you. Hey, relax. Oh my. Why does he keep. My goal is today. Stop barking. Here, you get out. Get out. Hey.
That dog's
stop.
standing on business.
So
Yeah, I
my
just got
goal today
reactions
is
out
to
now.
teach you how to say a word.
They do a lot of screaming.
Sound like they said, oh my gosh.
Some of them bark too because the dogs are at home.
Huh?
They bark too.
Oh, really, Bart?
Oh, they bark.
Why they not barking me? Oh, he repeat what you said.
They're smart little guys. I don't know what they're always saying, but they're saying something.
You gotta pay attention to hear what they really saying. Ah, hell no, man.
Nigga, say nigga. Nigga. Say nigga. Who?
He said, yeah.
Nigga.
If he says it, give him a peanut. When he says, don't give it to him yet.
Nigga.
Don't make it say that, though.
Nigga.
Maybe no more peanuts because they're not going to talk anymore.
We're not gonna talk anymore? Alright, hey, bro, bro, y'all can't. Nah, bro. No. What are they saying?
Watch your ear and get it piercing.
Yeah, you gotta hear it closely, bro.
Here. No, go on my arm.
Here. Do that.
Go to sleep. There you go.
Push right up. Yeah, there you go.
There you go. Oh. Like a good dreamer, State Farm is here. Yeah. Nigga, say nigga. Say nigga. No, not say nigga. Oh!
Ah, hell no.
Chat, why they don't say fuck? God damn it!
Really, bro?
God damn it! Son of a...
That dog
son of
trying
a
to
bitch.
get him. Get him. Get him.
God damn it!
Get that little lick.
Huh? I'm wearing other one. I'm wearing other ones. Maybe for the other one. Hey, calm down, nigga. Calm down now. Calm down now. Oh, you what? You're gonna jump down in the cage. You don't have to be up high?
Up high, might try to fly.
Oh.
They can just like take off. They're like a bonded gay couple. So
Alright, Ted, what should we do now? Alright, Ted, what should we do now with the birds? What should we do now? Bro, stop saying sell the dog.
Why they want him to sell the dog?
Bro, keep putting feet up and down and they're going to start shaking. Oh, they said if you put that finger up and down, they shake.
maybe some music.
What music? Chat.
I'm gonna take one out.
Take one out. What do you mean?
Him.
Oh.
Barking.
Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on.
He's like, but there's birds.
Come on.
Yeah, he gotta go. He gotta get out for real. So he trying to get him.
Give me, bro. Why you?
He trying to get him.
All right, Ted. What do we do now?
Get that bird.
Try to get him to dance.
Get him to
Like,
dance.
Got
Okay.
that cat.
Some music. Okay.
Chica nigga said make the bird say nigga.
What do you say?
Who the rapper? I'm trying to see Shot It Twerk. Oh, hell nah. He talking about who the buddy from the 20 views.
Hey!
I'm not gonna tell you, bro. I'm a gatekeep. Nah,
It's that
it's
time!
look at it.
Stand up! Portugal. We got Mexico. France, England, Brazil, Belgium, Qatar.
And I ain't dancing though. Sorry, I gotta mute this part.
Let's make football. World Cup! World Cup!
What if it sing the song though?
World Cup! World Cup!
Oh, they dancing! They dancing now! Oh shit, that was low key dancing, right? They was bopping their heads. They look scared now, bro. Hold on. Yeah, they're scared. They're scared now.
Chat. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Hey, like, bro. Hey, keep screaming. He ain't dancing. He's yelling for help. Oh, it's saying help?
Saying help, they'll be jumping off this thing. They're good.
Yeah, chat, that's good. How do I pet it, though?
No.
I wouldn't pet it. They're not using the pet. They're just used to stick training on the sticks and stuff like that.
Nigga.
Pet, you don't bite your ass.
Nigga.
Chica nigga said kill them with one stone cheap and work.
Nigga.
That bird better not say that shit, bro.
Nigga.
Is that racist? Nah,
Nigga. Ooh. What'd you? Nigga.
they finna get you, bro. Back up.
Ugly. I'm not ugly. You ugly. Ugly ass. Like, it's not like they sing like that. Poor grandma. Ugly.
Dude, this nigga still got the tag on his shirt.
Cook them in this. Bro, I'm not cooking them on the shut up, bro. Want a green bean? There you go. There you go.
Cook them is crazy, bro.
Want a green
Cook
bean?
them is crazy.
It's a messy bird, to tell you that one.
Good stuff. Good stuff. You say the same stuff. Ugly ass. And you scream and you say weird shit. And ugly ass. There you go. Damn, they love peanuts. They love peanuts more than anything. And y'all barely get the peanut.
They get what they get. Fuck it.
God damn, you almost got me. This motherfucker almost got me.
That shit gonna hurt too, bruh.
Yeah.
Dang, he dropped it.
Good boy.
Here you go. Got him there.
I think they're. You gotta do it like this. There we go. Come on, bro. I know you want one more peanut. I know you want one more. You gotta get one more peanut, man. There you go. Come on, bite it.
They friendly now, y'all. The motherfuckers friendly.
Oh wait, who scored PSG? Uh-huh. No, you want to get the other one?
It might be full up.
Yeah, they're full.
They full.
Alright, Chad. Well, that's enough for the bird, man. Let's wrap these boys up.
You got him in.
Play the Quran?
Yeah.
They can fly, nigga.
How about
Let me try to pull him in. Come on. Up. Oh, like that.
There you go.
W, Chat! W!
They'll be birds.
Get down here for the time.
Alright, bye, boys. I wish one day I will teach y'all. Why is your tongue like that? One day I will teach y'all the N-word, okay? Alright? Alright, man.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright, cool.
Alright. Man, shout out to my man's Blake, bro.
Appreciate you.
For coming in, my guy.
Not one day I teach y'all the N-word, bruh. God damn, son.
You want it? Bro, y'all don't even want the peanuts, bro. I think they're full. Let's take one more in here. Yeah, okay, yeah. I got it. Alright, chat! W's! Alright, bro.
Alright. See you later.
See you, dog.
Of course.
More shit soon.
Damn. I ain't gonna lie. I probably would've been scared of them birds. But hey, you gotta take risks one day, man. If I could be in front of, he could do the birds, maybe I could do it too, nigga. Make sure I sub it to the channel, man. I appreciate y'all for tuning into this reaction. You know, telling me what other animals Speed gonna bring. Now, he really do need to get a, like, a monkey on his stream, though. For real. Cause that shit would be fire. Like a baby monkey he could just put on his shoulder or something. That'd be fire. No cap.